video, I'm going to show you how to create shortened links. Let's get started. Open the link given in the description. Then click on sign up. You can create a new account by Google or Facebook, or you can also just type the credentials manually to just continue with Google. Choose your account. Then click on enter your dashboard. Then it will ask you for some details. You can also just start entering it now itself, or you can also just click on ask me next time. Now click on new link, enter the URL. So this is the URL which I want to make it short. Then enter the name here, just name it as solutions fire. Then click on create link. Then your link has been created. So now let's check out. Enter the URL rebrand.ly. It's the main domain / codomain, the name which you entered. URL using rebrand.ly. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.